Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Welcome to the very first episode on this series. In this video, we are going to set up and install the integrated development environment for C programming language on your computer so that we can start coding. Go to this address on SourceForge and download the div C++ for Windows 10, 8 or 7. Let's go and download it. Once the program is downloaded, go to the downloaded folder and extract this program. Now go to the folder and install this program. Select the full type of installation and click Next. Now let's click Finish and div C++ is going to be launched. Now div C++ is successfully installed on your computer. That's it for this episode. I will see you in the next episode.